Hi everyone, good evening. So this is Teacher Tan and welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I just want to remind everyone, every student out there, especially high school, specifically grade 11 and grade 12 students. Sa mga grade 11, you are now writing your research proposal, diba? So for the grade 12, you are now defending your research before kayo graduate ng senior high school and bago kayo mag-enter ng college. So, gusto ko lang kayo i-remind na as a panelist, dalawang beses na po ako naging panel sa research. And, so why we are asking questions towards the researchers? Because basically, hindi namin alam yung kung ano yung pinagsusulat-sulat ninyo dyan sa manuscript ninyo. Ang manuscript is your copy of your paper. Okay po. Wala kaming idea kung ano yung context, ano yung pinag-aaralan nyo, why do you conduct the study, why do you choose this topic, ilan yung respondents, anong specific scope ng research ninyo, ano yung mga methods na ginagamit ninyo, ano yung mga techniques, sampling, mga ganyan-ganyan. So, hindi namin yan alam. That's why we are asking questions. Marami questions. So, kailangan nyo siyang aralin. Ang kailangan nyo lang gawin is, kailangan nyong aralin yung buong paper ninyo. Alam ko, makukuha nyo yung masasagot nyo yung mga tanong kapag alam nyo kung ano yung mga nilagay nyo or sinulat nyo dyan sa manuscript ninyo. So, ganun lang ang technique to survive the research defense or research proposal. Aralin, i-highlight yung mga key points per part ng research, and practice. Kailangan mo maging ready sa presentation. Okay po. So, yun lang yung magiging tip ko kasi ngayon, kakatapos lang namin ng research, defense, and proposal sa school. So, ang naging outcome naman is okay naman yung mga research paper nila, yung research study. Andoon yung novelty, nakita ko, yung uniqueness ng isang study, which is relevant ngayon, napapanahon talaga siya. Like for example, yung may isa doon na research about impulsive buying sa TikTok. So, ayun, di ba? Mas nakaka-relate yung mga estudyante and also ako din kasi tambay sa TikTok, ayan, ang mumura. So, lahat mga ganyan. So, interesting talaga ang research. And then, if you love writing, ayan, madali siyang gawin. Also with the help of the teachers, advisors, your mentor, ano pa ba? You can research online kung paano siya gawin. So, ganun lang. Yun lang yung gusto kong iparating na message ngayon. So, sa mga grade 11 and grade 12 dyan, good luck and I am looking forward for the success of your paper. So, yun lang for now and good night.